Thanks for tuning in for an essential RC flight test of the Dynam PT-17 Stearman. I hope you've already seen the unboxing and assembly video that I did recently. So here it is, all ready to go. I just literally put the decals on this morning, and Carl is on camera. Carl,
Hello.
all right?
Yep,
If you come a little bit closer. So that the cockpit comes off with this clip. Come off! There it goes. Right, so there's my 4S 2200 pack and my receiver. Simple, really. 2 Velcro straps. The straps were a little bit short, but they do work. It would be nice if they'd been a bit longer. But that's it, really. So all ready to go. You ready, Carl?
Yep, ready.
If you're ready, I'm ready. So overcome, you know, some of the small challenges of putting this together, which you get when you assemble all these things, really. But not all problems that could be solved quite easily. Ready to go.
And we've chosen a nice calm day, haven't we, Dom?
Oh, look at that windsock. What's that, 20 miles an hour?
I reckon so.
Yeah, brilliant.
Seems to be a recurring theme here, doesn't it? 20 mile an hour.
And it's a crosswind as well. That doesn't stop us though.
Nope. If you waited for the wind all the time, you'd never fly.
Not bad for a maiden flight. the crosswind is horrendous, and this is quite a light model, so no apologies for my landing. That was the best I could do, actually, coming in sort of diagonal. But it's really nice for just slow, graceful aerobatics. You know, it has enough power to do that, and I'll definitely explore that a lot more in the future flights. So look it up, the link is in the video description and the pinned comment. That's the Dynam PT-17 Stearman from our friends at Dynam. So thanks for watching this one, thanks for Carl on camera, and we'll see you again soon for another Essential RC flight test. Thanks for watching. Might try and do that landing again.